Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm showing you guys 4 holiday dresses that are not your cliche typical holiday style dresses. We're not doing sequins, we're not doing satin fabric. We are doing more sophisticated fabrics, sophisticated prints. So you want to stick around and watch these because these are dresses that you're going to be able to wear long after December. So I picked up these dresses from Banana Republic because they are stunning. You know, Banana Republic is known for their style. They're known for their size inclusivity as well, which is something I really love. And these are nice prints and really great silhouettes. These were unique silhouettes, something that I felt that I needed in my closet. 2 of them are very similar, but they're very different and you're gonna see, so stay tuned. So up first is this plaid pleated V-neck maxi dress. This is so good, you guys. The fabric is so sturdy. It's got a really nice sturdy zipper, but I picked this one because of the plaid, but also the shape, the silhouette is stunning. It really cinches in at the waist very well and it kind of mimics my shape, and I just absolutely love that. I love when something works with your shape and not against it, and it doesn't make your shape work too hard. I really love that. I love how the muted colors on the dress are not screaming out at you. You can wear this long after Christmas Day. I do plan on wearing this on Christmas Day. I have all of my things that I want to wear it for because our family goes to dinner on Christmas evening actually, on the Christmas night. And we go to a really nice dinner and we just give our mom a break. So Keandra and I do not cook for dinner for the holidays. Our mom doesn't, so we all go out for Christmas Day. And this is something that I will be wearing on Christmas evening. I absolutely love the length of this dress. I love how it's a maxi dress, but it kind of leans a little midi. I'm 5'9", so I'm not very tall, but I'm also not really short either. I hear that I'm on the taller side of short people. I'm like one of the last people of the short people. And so it hits just perfectly mid-calf or just below mid-calf. And so I love the V-neck on this one. It's super sharp. It gives you that modesty that you need, but then it also gives you just a little bit of edge. I love how they carried it over into the back. It looks so good, so elegant. It is just so divine. I love it. So for Christmas night, I plan on wearing a red lip. I plan on wearing Swarovski crystal earrings and more crystal-y like rings to kind of give it that holiday vibe. And I'm doing black and gold jewelry. So that's gonna wearing metallics. If you are not into sequins and things like that for the holidays, I tend to not purchase sequins for the holidays because I do like to get multiple wears out of the pieces that I own, especially things that are high quality. So I kind of spend less money on things that are trendy and, you know, things like that, but I'll go a little bit more expensive on things that I'm gonna wear a little bit more often. And so because these are kind of midpoint kind of pieces, I wanted to pick something that I could wear well after Christmas Day or after the holiday season. And so, but for this, what I like to do is add metallics, add sparkly jewelry, things like that I would wear anyway. So it's kind of like you're doing like a in plain sight kind of holiday style. I mean, this dress is giving you a little bit of Loewe. It's kind of giving Loewe vibes. The plaid, the bat wings, the deep V, the silhouette of the skirt, like that sculptural kind of vibe. It's just like that really nice sculptural piece. And it's like an exciting interest piece, but it's also a classic. Love that. Love that it's a classic plaid for the holidays. It's just got all the points, but it doesn't scream I'm going to Christmas parties. Okay, so this second one, it is the same silhouette as the first one. This is the cotton pleated stretch maxi dress. And I absolutely love this one for all the same reasons that I love the plaid one, except for it's black. If you know anything about me, I love a black moment. It is so easy. It's easy to dress up. It's easy to look very sophisticated. You can take this dress to a great party. You can take this dress to lunch or dinner, even like just with some flats during the holidays or even after the holidays. I absolutely love that about this dress. So it has this really nice draped bat wing, and even though it has a nice deep V, it comes in close enough so it doesn't show cleavage, and it's not something that's going to be too exposing, especially while it's colder, and it gives you a nice elegant and fresh modern look. So I kept the styling simple with all of these dresses, just simply because I wanted to show you guys how you can wear it minimal, you can keep it very sophisticated, very even, and not doing too much, but you can definitely build on top of these, which is something that I plan to do. I love that you can wear this dress, you can wear it to church, you can wear it to brunch, you can wear it to dinner. There's so many different things that you can do with this. Like, you can style this more than 5 ways. You can put a turtleneck on under it to kind of give you more warmth and coverage. You can put a nice white crisp button down top under it. That will give you a whole different vibe. There's so many things that you can do with this that the options are endless. So if you're looking to be a little bit more festive with something that's simple and black, you can definitely do a nice bold red lip. You can do a nice berry lip, something that is in the holiday vibe family. And you can do sparkly rings, sparkly earrings. You can do a nice thin sparkly belt, sparkly shoes. You can zhuzh it up with all the sparkle that you want on your hands, your ears, your neck. I wouldn't put a necklace on with this one because I really love the feature of the deep V and it's showing just that very bare minimum skin there and not having anything to cover that. With the skirt on this dress, you are absolutely getting that nice swing to it, and you're gonna have something that feels good, classic, but it's gonna feel expensive too. When you're looking for holiday pieces that are black and that are simple, look for something that has a little bit of structure, and then you're gonna look like you spent $1,000 on it. Okay, so this third one is the taffeta mini dress, and she is so cute. She's really good. So this is kind of like my holiday social dress. This is taffeta, first of all, is 100% traditional, very traditional holiday fabric, but of course this is black. They had it in red, but I wanted something that was simple that I could wear anywhere into anything. So this one I plan on wearing to our Living Noire, one of like our Living Noire episodes. I want to wear this to like a nice dinner. So this is going to be very good and easy to do holiday dinners with friends and family. It's going to be good to wear, like I said, to our Living Noire episode, like one of our Living Noire episodes. This is going to be so good for that because it gives you that kind of elevated, has nice sheen to it, gives you a nice elevated vibe. So it's gonna scream a little bit more holiday. But I love the mini style of this and the nice frill of it. So this one is telling you that it's holiday. It has the ruffle, it has the shine, it's the taffeta, it has the nice cute sweet bow in the back, but it's still not screaming at you. It's still not saying, I'm obviously holiday, but people are going to look at this and they're going to say, yes, this is great in holiday, especially when you add the tights, because tights are winter friendly and it's going to keep you warm and everything. And I just love that. My plan for this dress is to wear it New Year's Eve. I definitely plan on wearing this to the reservation that we have. And I'm going to play it up with my jewelry, and I might do a nice cute little doily under it, the white collar doily, and that has like a little jewels on it. I might do that. I'm still kind of thinking about that, but you guys know my red lip is gonna go with me. So for today, I decided to belt it with my Tory Burch belt, nice simple leather belt with a gold detail, something that was gonna cinch in the waist and kind of let you see a little bit more of that ruffle. I love the pockets. You always need somewhere to put your hands, especially when it's cold. And I love that it's a mini style. I don't think I'm ever gonna get rid of the mini style. I love it because I am a taller girl and tall, long legs look really good with a mini style. But then when you cover your legs with the tights, it just makes it make sense for winter. And it's super cute. It is such an adorable piece. It kind of gives you baby doll vibes, something that you're gonna be able to wear and look really sweet. And I definitely plan on wearing my dad coat with this one to kind of bring a little bit more coverage, but then also to keep me warm. This is such a good festive little dress without going over the top. Okay, and last we have the taffeta combo turtleneck dress. It's a maxi dress. Love this one as well. It has pockets. I love that all the dresses have pockets. Y'all know we love pockets. You need something to be able to put your lipsticks in and your lip glosses in your hands. You just need something to do that with, and it's just so cute. It's such a moment. I love how with Banana Republic their jersey is something it's not like a traditional jersey. It's got a little bit of stretch to it, a little bit of give, but it's also got a nice little sheen to it. So I absolutely love that. This is absolutely giving hostess vibes. So if I were hosting a party, I would definitely do this one because you have the jersey that's flexible, so you can kind of just move about and talk to people and do a lot of different things. And then it's a little bit more flexible, so if you eat a little bit more, you have a little bit more room to be able to still kind of mingle and have your tummy concealed. The whole vibe is elegant, effortless, and it will give you compliments all night long. Things I love about this, of course, the full skirt, the taffeta moment is so good, but I love that it has pockets. I love that the detailing in the back, it's gathered in the neck area, and it has a nice sturdy zipper. So this is it's going to be a hidden zipper, and it's going to be gathered in the back, so it gives you a nice little ruching in the front. I love details. It's all about details. Like I said, if it's gonna be black, it needs to be interesting, and boy is this interesting. So it also has thumb holes. I don't use thumb holes, but I just kind of ruche the sleeve and kind of make it kind of a little bit hidden. But if you want to go with that vibe, you can definitely do the thumb hole. And to be a little bit different, you can even do a nice crop leather jacket that'll give you a nice little edge. So I've recently worn this dress, and I wore it simple with rings and a cute gold and black or black with gold detail bag and sling back pumps and tights. But I definitely would do a belt with this one like I did on the cutaway, and a red lip. I forgot my red lip at home, so I could definitely do a red lip with this to kind of make it a little bit more festive and give it a little bit more zhuzh. This dress is perfect if you're hosting a holiday party, if you're going to a winter event, or if you just want something that's elegant and easy for the holiday season. So those are my holiday dresses for this year. They're quiet luxury leaning pieces that you can wear that are not sequins, they're not satin, but you can definitely feel festive in them. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comments and which one you would wear. Everything is linked in the description, and if you want more styling videos like this, go ahead and subscribe and stay tuned for more. Bye guys.